What's up mga papi? In this video, sabay-sabay natin amuyin tong Miniso's Blue Waves Eau de Perfume. Ano nga ba ang amoy nitong budget meal na perfume na to? And kung sulit nga ba sa halagang less than 400 pesos. Let's do this!
Throw your hands up if you with it, drop it.
So, itong Blue Wave is the second perfume na binili natin sa Miniso. Our plan is to use this daily kasi sobrang mura lang niya and hindi ka manghihinayang to use it liberally. Kasi nga, hindi naman siya ganun kamahal compared to other perfumes. Nabili natin siya sa SM Hypermarket dyan sa may Silver City for 380 or 390 pesos yata. Hindi ko na matandaan, basta ang alam ko less than 400 pesos siya. So, according to some online information I got, this perfume gives us refreshing blend of oceanic notes, crisp, citrus, and subtle floral undertones. Malalaman natin yan. This comes in a 50 ml volume bottle. Ang scent daw nito is long-lasting and is perfect for daily wear or special occasions. Again, malalaman natin yan. Buksan lang muna natin tong bottle or tong box ng perfume to see how this looks like inside. So, ayan yung box niya. May Blue Wave and then may Miniso branding. Let's see how this looks like. Okay, so there is a box inside the box. And let's see. Okay, so pretty much it's a regular looking perfume bottle with the Blue Wave logo dun sa front niya and a silver cap to cover it. And again, according to our online source, ang top notes daw nito is citrus zest, lemon, bergamot, or lime combined with marine accents, providing a crisp and invigorating opening. Yung middle notes daw nito or yung heart note is floral elements such as jasmine, lily of the valley, or neroli, adding a delicate and refreshing bouquet. And then yung base notes niya is softwoods like sandalwood or cedar, complemented by musk and amber, offering a warm and lasting depth. Okay, Doc. So, spray natin siya and let's see kung totoo ang pinagsasabi ng internet. So, okay. So, yung opening niya nga is medyo citrusy. May pagka-lime nga siya. Parang bergamot and orange blossom nga. Yan. Medyo patayuin lang natin ng konti. Dun sa dry down niya, parang totoo nga, nagiging floral siya. Medyo may hint ng sampagita and parang rosy. And dun sa finish, parang vanilla. Medyo may tamis, tsaka woody. So yan, ayan si Blue Waves. Yung longevity nito, ang nakapublish sa internet is 3 to 4 hours. Pero sa totoo lang, I doubt it kasi ang experience ko sa mga Miniso perfume para mga 1 hour to 2 hours max lang yan. Dun sa projection niya, it's subtle to low projection and medyo mahina yung scent bubble niya. So, kailangan dumikit ka ng gusto dun sa wearer para maamoy mo siya. But all in all, okay na siya for less than 400 peso scent. Huwag na umangal kasi sobrang mura naman talaga niya and iset lang natin yung expectation natin aligned dun sa presyo nitong perfume na to. Alright? That is our video for today. Thanks for watching. Till the next Woodall. Peace! Blue Wave, Miniso.